Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best front porch plants set of 2 you can get your hands on. The Aummooh 2-pack 37-inch artificial cedar topiary trees. If you're searching for a zero-maintenance yet stylish way to enhance your outdoor or indoor spaces, these are the perfect fit. Let's dive into what makes this duo a top choice for anyone wanting to elevate their entryway, deck, or office without the hassle of real plants. Straight out of the box, you'll receive 2 nearly 37-inch tall artificial cedar trees, designed in a sleek pyramid shape. These trees are set in sturdy pots and bring a clean, symmetrical look to any setting. Whether you're flanking your front door, lining your walkway, or adding greenery to a dull office corner, they do the job with class. They're realistic enough to pass as live plants, but they don't require water, sunlight, or trimming. The attention to detail in the design is impressive. The greenery is lush and adjustable, allowing you to gently shape it according to your desired fullness and style. The plastic foliage is UV rated, which means it's built to withstand sunlight without fading, a major plus for outdoor placement. These aren't just pretty, they're tough, too. At 15 inches in diameter and 37 inches in height, they offer a commanding presence without being overwhelming. The weight, at around 14.5 pounds per set, gives them just enough stability to stay put during wind gusts. Though you could always place them inside larger decorative planters for added flair and security. One of the best features here is how versatile these trees are. Aummooh has crafted these for both residential and commercial environments. They look just as natural at the entrance of a cozy home as they do at the front of a modern office building. No messy soil, no pest issues, and no dropping leaves. Cleaning is just as easy, a quick wipe down or a spray with water and they're as good as new. If you're tired of swapping out seasonal decor or maintaining finicky plants, this set is the ideal solution. They offer year-round greenery with zero upkeep. It's decor that works hard without asking anything from you. So to sum it up, the Aummooh artificial cedar topiary trees are all about elegance, convenience, and durability. They're the perfect accent for your porch, patio, foyer, or workspace. They deliver all the aesthetic benefits of natural greenery, minus the upkeep. If you want stylish curb appeal and instant charm without lifting a finger, this is the product to go for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're into functional, stylish, and maintenance-free home upgrades like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Until next time, stay inspired and keep elevating your space.